In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your payment method on GitHub. Keeping your billing information up to date is important to ensure uninterrupted service and access to the powerful tools GitHub offers. Whether you're adjusting for a new credit card or switching to PayPal, the process is straightforward and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to the GitHub dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Here, you want to select Settings. Clicking on Settings is like opening the door to customizing your GitHub account, where you can adjust everything from profile preferences to billing details. Now that you've entered the Settings page, focus on the left-hand pane. You will see a variety of categories listed that you can explore, but for today, our interest lies in the Billing and Licensing section. Make sure you select it so you can view and update your financial details. Upon clicking Billing and Licensing, a drop-down menu will appear. Find the option labeled Payment Information and click there to reveal your current billing details, if any. This section is essential for managing how GitHub charges you for any services or subscriptions you use. As you scroll down through your payment options, keep an eye out for a section titled Payment Method. Once you find it, you'll notice an Add button next to it. Click on this button to initiate the process of adding or updating your payment details. Here, GitHub gives you the flexibility to choose between adding a credit or debit card or linking a PayPal account. Depending on your preference, select the option that best suits your needs. In the next step, carefully fill out all the required financial information. For a credit or debit card, you'll need to input details like the card number, expiration date, and the cardholder's name. If you choose PayPal, you'll be redirected to log into your PayPal account to authorize the transaction. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, it's crucial to review your entries to ensure everything is accurate. When you're confident that all the information is correct, locate the Save Payment Information button and click it. This action securely updates your information in GitHub's system, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your payment method on GitHub. This ensures that your access to GitHub services remains seamless and uninterrupted. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out our other videos for more great tips and tutorials.